Hey everybody, so I got a quick organization haul from Walmart, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for stopping by. Appreciate you watching. Alright everybody, so I picked up these containers from Walmart. I had to go to like 3 different Walmarts just to find containers. It's like every store is out of everything. It's like when COVID-19 started, for whatever reason, everybody started buying anything and everything they could buy. Containers, food, soda, beer. I mean, come on people. You know, I understand that there's a virus going around, but not all of us are gonna die, and you buying as much as everything as you possibly can has forced me to do the same thing. I had no choice. These were the last 2 of these, which are 12-quart containers. It's a 4-pack. It's a set of 4 Sterlite, 16 and 7/8 long by 11.5 wide by 5 and 7/8 high. I bought 2 of these because they're $7.48 for a 4-pack, because I bought the last 2 they had. They had a bunch of these, which these are 20-quart, 19-liter containers. They're the exact same size as these little ones. They're just deeper in height. So they're 16 and 7/8 long by 11.5 wide by 9 and 3/8 high. So 16 and 7/8, yep, and 11.5, yep. So the only difference is that these are 12 quarts and they're 5 and 7/8 high, and these are 20 quarts and they're 9 and 7/8 high, so 4 inches taller. So they're 4 inches deeper. I got 3 of these. They were $4.98 a piece, and I grabbed the 3 lids for them. As you could tell, same exact style lid, except these were, all they had was white. You used to be able to get these 4-packs with blue lids and green lids, like a turquoisey green lid. They didn't have any of those. I only needed like 1 of these containers for a set of gloves. You know, if I need and I have too many gloves, I can always use 1 of these containers, which is deeper, and put what I need in those. Not a big deal. The rest are just going to be spares in case something happens and you can't find them anymore. But everything here cost me like $33, I think. $33.62. So these were $4.98 a piece. I got 3 of them, and these were $7.98 per pack. So just a little quick organization haul. I know I do a lot of organization hauls on this channel, where I buy a lot of organizers, and some of them I haven't used yet. Some of them I've used, you know, a couple of what I bought, but the rest are just spares. I'm always putting bolts and nuts and washers and everything in containers like these, so that's why I bought a lot of the organizational containers. And I also clean a crap ton of my house, so there's a lot of things got cleaned up and more organized. But this is what I picked up. It's not much. You know, 8, 9, 10, 11 containers. 3 are just 4 inches taller than these. They're the exact same lip, exact same shapes. These containers, I like these Sterlite containers. I bought probably about 5 of these 4-packs already, which they're all used. They all got something in them in my barn, organizing stuff in the barn. These are all my extras that I don't use right now will go in the barn, and then when I need them, they'll be there for me to use. I appreciate you guys watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.
Yeah.